आपने कभी नहीं सोचा कि सरकारी नौकरी मिल जाए बेस्ट है?
No. It's like, it's not that ki I have something against this sarkari naukri or something, but I just want to be independent. I still need to explore a lot of fields around me. So like they did not say anything, but they're like ki kar kya rahi hai? I said, Mom, I'm trying something, let me do it.
I have with me Sara Gandotra. Sara, welcome to Straight Line.
Hello, thank you so much.
Sara, what is raisin art? Everyone wants to know. आप raisin art करते हैं, raisin art है क्या?
कुछ नहीं है. I'll tell you, I'm being very honest. I used to scroll Facebook. वहाँ पे I used to see like these were the satisfying videos. Like they used to come under the satisfying videos, and like they used to pour things and like make something that's out of maybe a coaster or a something, maybe a wall clock. And the way it had textures and everything, so that really interested me. Like, and to be, I did not know the name of that art. ठीक है, मुझे लगता था कि this is something I need to know, and exploring later on, then I got to know कि this is called raisin art, and then I tried my hands on it. I made coasters out of it, and wall clock, a wooden tray and everything. That's it.
तो जब 5 minute craft वाली videos आती थी, you watched them all, but instead of just scrolling through, you took inspiration from it and you started working.
First of all, ऐसे तो मैं scroll करती रहती थी, and then I need to do this. I need to learn.
वो defining moment कौन सा था when you said कि यार ये try करते हैं?
काफी देर से मैं देख रही थी, and then something struck in my mind. I said, बोलते क्या यार इसको? What is it called? So then I searched for the comments, and then I got to know it's called raisin art. Then I went to the YouTube. I searched a little more about it, explored it, and then I ordered things. Lockdown था तो I had to order from Amazon online. I ordered it, and then it started coming out good. पहले तो बहुत फ्लॉप बने, बिल्कुल हार्ड नहीं हो रहा था ये वो, and later on it's fine now. Like I'm still progressing.
तो जो स्टार्टिंग के 2 फेलियर्स थे, घर वाले नहीं बोले थे कि ये क्या काम करना शुरू कर दिया लॉकडाउन में?
No, it creates a lot of mess. Raisin art, you need to like put everything. पहले तो मुझे नहीं पता था, मैंने पहले घर का अपना स्टडी टेबल खराब कर दिया. After that, like my parents, they were very supportive. Do anything you want. They've never stopped me. So like they did not say anything, but they're like कि कर क्या रही है? I said, Mom, I'm trying something. Let me do it. So then afterwards, she also liked it. She said कि textures अच्छे आ रहे हैं, but like she used to pinpoint my errors ये वो.
तो ये सारे पैशन जो हैं ये सारे लॉकडाउन में बाहर आए, उससे पहले भी कभी मौका मिला कुछ क्रिएटिव करने का?
Like passion, sort of stress buster, you can say. Like in COVID times, I used to cook food. पहले भी I used to do it, but like in COVID, everybody had a trend of doing that. So even I started doing it a little bit more.
उसके बाद कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि like this is a hobby that can also be monetized? आजकल तो you're seeing due to social media, many people are making the brands out of it.
That's true, but like this is not something that I do for money. This is something I do for myself. To like, if I'm stressed out, I think if I do this, it'll keep me out of it and like give me a distance from my daily routine.
Daily routine में the studies are included as well, right?
Yeah, that's true. It gets hectic sometimes. So I feel if I have time, I try to take out time and I cook something for maybe my grandparents or my mom, dad. Like my granddad is very fond of my chili chicken. So sometimes I do that for him. That's it.
Experiment का शिकार कौन होता था when you used to bake cookies and you used to bake something? तो सबसे पहले किसके पास वो प्लेट जाती थी?
My sister, my elder sister. Yeah, she's like my backbone. She has to back me up with everything.
If she has to back you up, she never used to tell you ना कि ये ठीक नहीं बना है.
नहीं, she's like कि ठीक है, बस मेरे खाने के लिए ठीक है, बाकी नहीं.
तो घर पे like लॉकडाउन में तो बहुत ज़्यादा समय आपको मिला. तो what did you do? कहीं सोचा कि यार कुछ प्रोडक्टिव करते हैं या इसी में like relaxing stuff अभी इस टाइम पे, क्योंकि you have to take care of your mental health as well.
Yeah, you have to take care of your mental health. पहले तो I had my entrances for like I guess till August. I had my college entrances. I was giving them. I was busy preparing that. And side by side मैं ये raisin art, cooking वगैरह ये सब करती थी. And then I started working out as well. And I had to spend time with I got a lot of time with my family. And because if COVID wouldn't have happened, I would have been in college right now. And the time I got with my parents, my grandparents, I wouldn't have got it. Though like I really wanted to go to college, like everyone is very excited for the first year, freshers hai, ye hai, that cannot happen, but yeah. I used to do that a lot, and now after like I have started my bachelor's in finance at NMIMS Mumbai, so I have my online classes from like August mid, so I'm busy with that.
थोड़ा दुख हो रहा है कि यार you're going to be paying for college, you're going to be studying online through
Yeah,
virtual classes, वो भी 2G के ज़माना in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah,
So
that's
थोड़ा वो like does it deter you कि why I should have taken maybe a gap year or something?
No, I feel like gap year that's gonna hamper my CV, so I don't want to do that. Like it is not just with me, it's with the whole world, and we have to survive with it. So I think that's the thing, we have to do it.
But एक like अच्छी चीज़ भी लग रही होगी कि you're still getting time to spend with your family, you're still
Yeah.
getting time to explore all these other new things.
Yeah, but then now I guess it's time, like we need to accept this thing and move on, because this is something I don't think that's gonna end very soon. Yeah.
आजकल के टाइम में, सोशल मीडिया के टाइम में, when everyone is using their hobby and monetizing it, making a business out of it, making a brand out of it, क्या आपने सोचा है कि all these failed experiments के बाद जो एक अच्छे experiments हुए हैं उन्हें कहीं सोशल मीडिया पर पुट आउट किया जाए, उन्हें जो है you continue with it side by side?
Like I have my social media accounts. I put up on my stories and everything, but monetizing it, I have not thought of it yet, because I feel I am not a professional yet. मैं इतनी भी perfect नहीं हूँ कि I start selling it. I need some time. I need to practice, and later on in my life, if I think that yeah it's time, then I will surely.
कभी आपके माइंड में आया कि यार I am living in Jammu, no one here does raisin art, if I am the one to start it, maybe यहाँ पर buyers बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे, maybe यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग होंगे who will also want to learn it.
Yeah, that's true. Not Jammu में क्या, I have my aunt, like in my family only I was doing it, and she's like, यार ये तो मैं भी देख रही थी, मुझे सीखना है कैसे करना है, how do you do it? I told her, and she started doing it. So like yeah, that's it. But it's not that I'm the only one doing it in Jammu. There are many other people they do, but yeah. So like as I said, I'm not that a professional pro at the resin art. Yeah, I do it just for fun, like to kill my time. I think if I'm doing it, I do it in something productive. Yeah.
Do you think कि commerce background का होना that will give you a big push to start your own business or to get into that kind of stuff?
Firstly, I am from humanities background.
Oh.
Yeah, I had a mix of subjects. Like I had eco, I had maths as well. Yeah, and now when I do finance here in RC Munji, so yeah, it will help me. Obviously, it will help me. It will give me that little tactics, the pro level tips that I don't think that I'll get if I do some other course. So obviously, it will help.
So the infrastructure is ready. The only thing left is practice, and practice.
Yes.
Okay. Ab right now, since you're in college, what is like, well, not like an interview question, but where do you see yourself in 5 years? Like, what is the one thing that you do want to achieve in the near future?
So like everyone is like, you'll go into your family business and everything. So what I first and foremost, I aspire to be a good human being, so that I can help anyone and everyone in need whenever it's needed. And secondly, coming to my professional life, I aspire to go into the corporate world and earn my living out of it, and I want to be independent.
ये तो बिल्कुल like contradictory लग रहा है. Like everyone has the belief कि जो लोग भी corporate world में एक बारी चले जाते हैं, they become साधु, they become खड़ूस.
No, that's not. My sister, she's into the corporate world right now. Like she just entered into it. She just did her masters, and seeing her working, like I really like this work culture. Like it's specific, it's fixed. You have your social life after that. You have weekends free. I've seen my dad. He's from the business background, and I see him working whole day, whole night, and he has to take care of a lot of things. I think everything you do requires a lot of work. There is a lot of contradiction. It's like सड़ू सब हो जाते हैं, but you need to keep a balance out of it.
One question जो I think बहुत सारे लोग भी सोच रहे होंगे, आपने कभी नहीं सोचा कि सरकारी नौकरी मिल जाए बेस्ट है?
No, I don't think so. Like I feel it's like, it's not that I have something against this sarkari nokri or something, but I just want to be independent. I still need to explore a lot of fields around me. maybe my choices change after like 1 or 2 years of college, but as of now I would love to enter into the corporate world.
You would love to enter into the corporate world.
Yeah.
And like you said ki you want to contribute something,
Yes.
right, to the world. So do you have something in mind ki maybe this is something that is missing from the world right now, this is something that needs to be, you know, given?
Like nothing specific, but in my college also I have joined some societies like community services, and I keep doing it. In my school life also I organized an MUN with this NGO in Jammu itself, Balgran. Like we educated the people about MUN. Like I keep doing a lot of MUNs, and these were the people, these small children, they did not have any idea about it. So हमने उनको प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग दी वगैरह ये सब. एंड last week only I had my event with my college about the community services on period power, educating girls and breaking the myths and barriers about periods. Yes.
So you're doing it simultaneously, इतनी सारी चीजें बैलेंस हो जाती हैं.
Yes.
क्या वर्चुअल क्लासेस की वजह से बैलेंस हो जाती है?
No, it's not that. अभी तो virtual अभी हुआ है. I used to do this in school as well, with my friends, with my team, and now doing it in college. Trust me, it gets very hectic. But when you get the fruits out of it, you see the smile on those kids. I think it's worth everything.